All right, guys, I had a couple appointments this morning. I let Ian just sort of handle this. I think he did a pretty good job. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Also, in our videos, we're going to start giving away some stuff. So we're going to have a random number pop up in the video, and the person that emails me on that number will receive something. All right, if the number is 33, comment, saw it, and then the 33rd person to email me will receive a gift. My email will be in the description below. They're gonna be small gifts for now. They will grow with the channel. If you do not comment, but you send an email, it becomes void. So guys, follow along. Hope you enjoy this episode. All right, Ian, take it away.
Hey guys, this is Ian with Glaza Detail. Right now we're still working on Coney, the safety truck. We got her halfway painted, but we ran into a little complications. So for now we're going to be removing the bumper. We got a whole new front bumper and back bumper to install. We already got the front bumper mostly put together, but we figure we get this removed and then we'll get that ceramic and get it on in a later day. But this is going to be my first time removing a bumper, but for the most part it seems pretty straightforward. We're just going to be removing a bunch of bolts and then I'm just going to pop it right off. So should be pretty easy to do. So if I can do it, I'm pretty sure any of you guys could do it. So we're just going to get started on that. So we got all these small screws or bolts, and then we're going to get these bigger bolts out. And then we even got a couple under here because we're going to take out these guys too. So it should be pretty straightforward. Start with these top ones because they're the easiest to reach. Yeah, these guys I'm using a 5/16 fork. I got everything set aside that I think I'm going to need, but we'll have to see. So we got this piece on, and we'll see if I can get behind here. I might need to swap to a different tool for that. So for these bigger bolts, we got a 13, and then I got just 2 more sizes. I think this is all going to be pretty relatively easy to remove, but like I said, I'm not 100% sure because I've never removed one of these. But it should be pretty straightforward. We got quite a few things left to install on good old Coney here. We got to replace the windshield wipers and the cowl. The previous owner, I'm not really sure what he did, but those windshield wipers can't come off. They don't, the second lock is like stuck. They can't come off, so we're replacing front bumper, back bumper, windshield wipers, cowl, the whole mechanism that holds the wipers in. We're replacing the hood. And then we just got to finish our paint job, and we're going to put on some new tires and some running boards, and it's going to look sweet, man. It's a huge project. We're both pretty new to this kind of thing. You know, we're just detailers. We just do ceramic coatings. We don't really take apart trucks. But it's been a pretty cool learning experience. It shows that, like, as long as you have enough common sense, you can probably pretty much figure out most of this stuff, but it's always good to have like references and stuff. So like even when we were doing this, when we were painting it, we were calling up the Raptor liner guy just to make sure that we understood how the product worked. But overall, it's been a pretty smooth project. So hopefully our little paint mistake was the only real thing holding us back. Sweet. Got this piece out. We got one bolt right here. Bottom back side over here. I need to take this off before I take the bumper off, so I'm gonna do that right now. There we go. Just put this right here. Yeah, so here we're unbolting the carbonator off of the front of the truck because we like it hot and we don't like it bubbly. So those bubbles get in the way of everything.
That's the truth. I think for these we can zing them.
You've had that this whole time? Give me that.
Freaking idiots.
Oh, jeez, dude.
Sounds like that didn't work for you. You better go back to the ratchet.
Yeah, that seems like the better option. Can't see it. Almost.
Let's take a look at this hood.